So you may be wondering, how do I buy a home during a zombie apocalypse? Well, my name is Lynn Watanabe McFarland and I'm with Intero Real Estate Services. And if you live in a big city, you might want to live in a remote location, such as this, a very rural area. So come on in and let me share with you some of the ways we do our open houses now. So during a zombie apocalypse and you want to go and look for a home, we have special precautions at Intero. We will have you sign a PEAD disclosure, making sure that you are safe, you don't have a fever or any symptoms, because we don't want zombie contaminants all over our home. So also we will ask you to wear masks, gloves, booties, and social distance within 6 feet. And your realtor can accommodate 2 people from the same family to view the property at the same time, assuring that you won't get any zombie contamination. So I've also made a masks, gloves, and booties packet for you to use at the property so that in case if there was any contagion inside the property, you will be safe. So take care of yourself, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you. Have a great day.